Hey guys, JP Tech here, and today we got a package to unbox which contains a Ryzen 3 1300X, hopefully, which I got for around 30 bucks. So let's get on with it. And here we have it. It's a Ryzen 3 1300X, 4 cores, 4 threads, with a 3.5 GHz base clock and a 3.7 GHz boost clock. And yeah, and here's the chip. It still has thermal paste on it, so we have to clean that up and see if it truly is the CPU. But let's check if it has any bent pins or something. Oh, a bit of hair in here. How nice. And this, no bent pins so what I can see, but some hairs. It looks great. And here we have the cooler for it. Which is a little dusty, but I'm not going to use it anyway, so yeah. So there we have it. A great deal. And it will be featured in a upcoming build that hopefully will be ready very soon. So like and subscribe if you like what I'm doing here, and I see you guys next time.